And it's called all a Flutter because these bowls are embossed with beautiful butterflies and spring flowers. Aren't they beautiful? We'll give you a nice close-up so you can see them. This is incredible, and you're getting not one bowl, not two, you're getting 3. So it's 1 quart, 2 quart, and then 3 quart. There's even a butterfly in the bottom of the bowl, and these all come with plastic storage covers. So you're going to be able to pop these on right out of the oven, or if you're doing something like a cold mayonnaise-based salad for a summer picnic, that can work out nicely. And I'm going to go ahead and grab this out of the oven. Pardon my behind, because I'm sure you got a nice butt shot out of that. This is lobster mac and cheese. Isn't that pretty? I've been lobbying for a taller oven. Hopefully one day we'll get one. All right, so this is from Temp-tations. It's called Auto Flutter. It's 3 pieces, and the president, CEO, and designer of Temp-tations is Tara Tescher, joining us now live via Skype to tell us more about these beautiful bowls. And Tara, the butterflies are loose, and they've never been more beautiful.
I got to tell you, David, all of Flutter is one of our most popular spring kind of summer patterns. You only see it this time of year, and you did such a beautiful job of talking about what makes this so special. And that is, of course, the fact that they're all completely embossed. And what's beautiful about that is that you have not only the embossing that runs around the edges, but then you also have that glass glaze that goes all around it. So when you see that glass glaze, you can see, again, the beautiful fluting, the detail that you see there. Absolutely beautiful. 3 quart, 2 quart, and a 1 quart. Everything's going to nest down inside each other, which is fantastic. And we have a beautiful sorbet palette of colors.
Oh, sorbet, or an ice cream, a veritable ice cream truck of flavors.
I love it. Yes.
Now, the one up top is teal. Now you're getting a 1, 2, and a 3 quart. So this color in the back is the teal. We nested the others so you can see how nicely they store away. We also have this for you in the pink, 900 in the pink for the year. This is our final order of the year. Here's lavender, 300, and finally buttercream. Also available for you. Don't miss out on these, $39.98. Usually all we have to say are Temp-tations bowls, and our phone lines light up. Because Tara, our Temp-tations fans love bowls for serving, for baking. They're really so versatile, and these, in addition to those 2 things, are also beautiful.
Yeah, and we always love to say that our bowls, as you mentioned, are also bakers. So what's great about this is in the summertime when you have your pasta salads and potato salads and all your mayonnaise-based salads, that's great. But then it's also perfect for that ooey gooey, beautiful peach cobbler, I know one of your absolute faves, that we're able to make right inside our bowl. So these are oven safe up to 500 degrees, which means you can literally broil right inside there. But then look what we did over here. We have our potato salad. We have our coleslaw. We have our macaroni salad that goes along with our hot dogs and our hamburgers. And then we talk about it being metal utensil safe. And I can't think of anything more tough on a bowl than a hand mixer, which you have in front of you. So I love the fact that, again, it's not going to scratch off. It's baked right on there. And the whole point of this is that you can mix in here. You can bake in here. You can cook in here. You can serve in here. You can cut in here. And that's why our bowls are always so, so popular, because they're beautiful enough to serve in, but they're also so functional that you can continue to bake in them. You can continue to microwave in them. And everybody needs a bowl. 6 quart total capacity. And phenomenal. If we do bring these back, you won't see them until this time next year. I heard you say it is the final order. So if you've loved our beautiful olive flutter in these pastel colors, go for it, because these are amazing.
And Tara, listen to me. Metal beaters against the side of your stoneware bowls. These are designed to be lived with and to, you know, because when Tara started Temp-tations, it was all about mix, bake, serve, and store, all in the same container, right? So the same container that I'm mixing in, I'm going to bake in, I can serve in, and if I need to with that plastic storage lid, store the extras, right?
That's right. And that's what's great about it too, right? Especially if you're bringing these outside to your table and you want to, cover it from the bugs. You snap that snap-on storage cover. They're great for nesting in the fridge because you can stack them on top of each other. So again, when I'm designing these pieces, I'm truly thinking about the steps and stages that all of us use, whether it's plastic, whether it's metal, they're all utilitarian. These are stoneware. It's what our mothers used. It's what our grandmothers used. Temp-tations brings it to today's lifestyle. And these are sculptural. So 360 degrees of a beautiful pattern. And then that glass glaze is on top of it, bringing that color to life and bringing that pattern to life.
We baked bread inside.
Yes.
Look at this
Yum.
beautiful herbed bread. Really, really lovely. So you, when I was in college, there was a restaurant that used to bake bread in flower pots. Yeah.
Yes.
Mmm. So good, and they'd bring it hot to the table, and you'd have to rip and tear, and then smear the butter on it.
Just butter your face instead. Just eat the bread that way.
It
Yes,
was
Mary.
amazing. So don't miss out on this opportunity. This is your set of 3 in the teal. $9.50 left in the teal. Here's pink. $7.50 in the pink. Lavender. $1.50. All I have left in lavender, and this is our final order of the year. And then finally buttercream. $8.50. Now, if you look nice and close, and we'll try to shoot. And Pete, would it be better for me to hold this for you? Or can you grab it from where it is? Okay, great. I want you to see those embossed butterflies. And Tara always likes to say, run your fingernails across it, you'll feel them. This is incredible. But also, Tara, you even put a cute little butterfly down in the bottom of the bowl.
Yes, exactly. There's little flowers, there's little butterflies, depending on which size you're looking at. So I love to call that the little surprise inside. And there's that glass glaze. And why we love that, naturally nonstick. So no butters, no oils, no extra added fats, keeping cold things colder longer, all of your pasta salads and potato salads, but then also being able to transit into the oven and even baking beautiful cakes and decorating them inside here. It now becomes your cake plate as well.
Now, Tara, we're going to wrap up here, but you're coming back later, and you're going to keep all of our entertaining warm and delicious. Is that correct?
A little heated chip and dip won't hurt your feelings, I'm sure.
I was hoping you'd say that. Maybe some warm queso and some delicious dippers. All right. Hey, we're going to talk about that and a lot more, so stick around. We've got lots more to come. Let's also remind you about sabatier. Is Mary handling this?